Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of IPR by a series of question sets of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003. Questions only can give us freedom from our mental cages. So, never stop questioning. Okay, so with this beautiful thought, let us continue our journey in the question series. Welcome all. My dear friends, let us continue our journey in the world of IPR by picking a section of the Patents Act 1970. Okay, so till now we have discussed all the relevant sections and rules that was based upon a particular form number. Okay, and till now we have covered up to form number 12 and its relevant sections and rules. Okay, so now is the turn for form number 13. So let us have a look in brief what is form number 13. Just take a look here. Form 13, application for amendment of patent application. Fine. So with this brief title we will continue in detail with the relevant sections and rules. Fine. Okay, let us proceed. 13. Form number 13 has the title Application for Amendment of the Application for Patent or Complete Specification. That means we need to apply for the amendment of the application or the complete specification. This is the title, and the related section is 57 and the related rule is Rule 81, Sub Rule 1. So section 57 has the title Amendment of Application and Specification or any document related thereto before the controller. Fine. And similarly, Rule 81 says Amendment of Application, Specification or any document relating thereto. So you can see here the keyword is application, the keyword is amendment. Here you can see the keyword amendment. In section you can see the word amendment. In rule also you can see the keyword amendment, and here the relationship has been established with form 13. Next we will. So friends, after refreshing our memory from the old slide, let us continue with our question series. Okay, question number 1. Application for amendment of the application for patent or complete specification, fine, is the subject matter addressed in which section of the Patents Act 1970? Okay, the answer is section 57. Please refer section 57 of the Patents Act 1970. Here friends, the keyword is amendment. Fine. Okay, question number 2. The controller may allow the application made by a patentee for amendment if he thinks fit, provided any suit for infringement of the patent not instituted or any proceeding before the High Court for the revocation of the patent is not pending. This is the condition actually. Okay, so is this statement true? Yes, the statement is 100% true, and for this please refer section 57 subsection 1 of the Patents Act of the Patents Act 1970. Fine. Okay, let us proceed. Question number 3. The application for leave to amend an application for a patent shall state the nature of the proposed amendment and shall have the full particulars of regions for which it is made. Now, is this statement true? Yes, this statement is 100% true. Okay. So here friends, just I will read it again. The application for leave to amend an application for a patent. Okay. What does it state? This is the objective. This states the nature of the proposed amendment and shall have the full particulars of the regions why it is made. Fine. So for this, please refer section 57 subsection 2 of the Patents Act 1970. Fine. Question number 4. Before the grant of the patent, an application or specification or related documents can be amended. Is this true? Now friends, let me tell you one thing. This statement is not true. This is actually false. Why this is false? Due to this keyword. Okay, due to this word. If it would have been after, okay, then the statement must be 100% correct. Fine. So if I read like this, after the grant of the patent, an application or specification or related documents can be amended, this will be 100% true. Okay. But as here, before the grant of the patent, an application or specification or related documents can be amended is given. For this reason, this statement is not true. This is false. Okay. To be 100% sure for your answer, please refer section 57, subsection 3 of the Patents Act 1970. Now, question number 5. The right of an applicant regarding amendment of a specification or the related documents before the grant of the patent is not prejudiced by the provisions of section 57. Now, is this statement true? I'm reading it again, friends. The right of an applicant regarding amendment. That means we are discussing about the right of an applicant when we are discussing on amendment. Okay. Before the grant of the patent is not prejudiced by the provisions of section 57. Fine. So is this statement true? Yes. The answer is this statement is 100% true. So and to be 100% sure, please refer section 57, subsection 6 of the Patents Act 1970. Fine. Question number 6. Application for amendment of the application for patent or complete specification shall be filed in which form? The answer is form number 13, because the title for form number 13 is application for amendment of the application for patent or complete specification. So friends, please refer to this old slide that I have also mentioned here, where we have established a relationship between form number 13, section 57 and rule number 81. Okay. Here also we have mentioned the title of all. Fine. So I hope it is clear now. Let us proceed. Welcome all. My dear friends, let us continue our journey in the world of IPR. Okay. So till now we have discussed about the form number 13 and the relevant sections and rules associated with it. Okay. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed about the relevant section, that is section number 57 of the Patents Act 1970. As amended by 2005. So now it is a turn for the relevant rule, that is rule number 81. And as we know that this section and this rule are based on form number 13, let us take a look what is form number 13. Though already we have discussed, let us again refresh our memory by just clicking here. Okay. See, Form 13, application for amendment of patent application, and this is a brief. This title is not the, we cannot say, this title is not full. This is a brief title. I have written this brief title just to remember. It becomes easier to remember this. That's it. That's all. Okay. So, let us continue. Just actually, before going to the rule number 81 in detail, let us again go to our slide that we previously discussed. That means where we have linked up the form number, the section number and the relevant rule number. Okay. So, let us continue to that slide. Fine. 13. Form number 13 has the title Application for Amendment of the Application for Patent or Complete Specification. That means we need to apply for the amendment of the application or the complete specification. This is the title, and the related section is 57 and the related rule is Rule 81, Sub Rule 1. So section 57 has the title Amendment of Application and Specification or any document related thereto before the controller. Fine. And similarly, Rule 81 says amendment of application, specification or any document relating thereto. So you can see here the keyword is application, the keyword is amendment. Here you can see the keyword amendment. In section you can see the word amendment. In rule also you can see the keyword amendment. And here the relationship has been established with form 13. Next we will question number 7. Amendment of application, specification or any document relating thereto is the subject matter addressed in which rule of the Patents Rules 2003? The answer is rule number 81. So please refer rule 81 of the Patents Rules 2003 and please refer section 57 of the Patents Act 1970. Fine. Question number 8. An application under section 57 for the amendment of an application for a patent or a complete specification or any document related thereto shall be made in form 11. Is this true? No, this is absolutely wrong. The answer is false here because the form number should be, friends, it should be form number what? 13. Right? That's why the answer will be false. So please refer rule 81 sub rule 1 of the Patents Rules 2003 where form number 13 is application for amendment of the application for patent or complete specification, and section 57 is amendment of application and specification or any document related thereto before controller. Fine. Question number 9. If the application for amendment under Rule 81 sub Rule 1 relates to an application for a patent which has not been granted, the controller shall determine whether and subject to what conditions, if any, the amendment shall be allowed. Fine. Is this true? Let me read it again, friends. If the application for amendment under Rule 81 sub Rule 1, okay, it relates to an application for a patent which has not been granted. Fine. The controller shall determine whether and subject to what condition, if any, the amendment shall be allowed or not. This is a criteria, this is a situation. Fine. So is this statement true? Yes, the answer is 100% true. So for this, that means to be 100% sure for your answer, please refer rule number 81 sub rule 2 of the Patents Rules 2003. And the last question and the most awaited question, that is question number 10. The procedure specified in rules 57 to 63 relating to the filing of written statement, reply statement, leaving evidence, hearing and cause shall, so far as may be, apply to the hearing of the opposition under section 57 as they apply to the hearing of an opposition proceeding. Is this statement true? Yes. The answer is 100% true. And for this, please refer Rule 81 sub Rule 3 clause C of the Patents Rules 2003. Friends, if you are getting any difficulties anywhere, I would like to tell you that please go through the individual lectures that I have prepared for section 57 and rule number 81 so that every concept will be clear. So I hope, friends, all the you have gone through all the 10 questions and I hope you will like it. So please go through all the question answer series and yeah, keep learning, keep enjoying. Fine. The reference is Patents Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005 and the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. Okay friends, thank you all for watching my video and listening to me. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe the channel and please put down your compliments, comments and queries in the comment box. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Jai Hind.